Room, please.
Did someone say something? Chef Jeff's Deeps. Hello?
Hi.
Corn! Hooray! Yay!
Amazing! Is that machine?
You won't have to grill no one ever again. Neg.
But I like making delicious.
Pussy! Let's go have sex with the new hotel guests.
Good.
All the guests?
I love sticky pinkies. They're so sticky, the wrap is stuck to my hand. Look!
Ouchis! You love my nuts. Help yourself.
No, fuck you! Ding, 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 ding!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
Chef Jeff! Chef Jeff is really upset. He's with shit. Fuck him. Poor shit. On.
Curly, get in it. Get. Let's show everyone Chef Jeff's nuts are better than anything.
Coconut nuts. The Fuzzly Spotter. Spotted. Melvin is taking fat shit in the park. Fuck this shit. Sauce.
You cracked my nuts.
Got a net? Pet, not a pet breed, but a net. Evie, help!
I'm about to blow.
Sticky be gone. Little super sticky gunk.
Did you wash your ass today?